Oh, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. I didn't shoot a proper intro for the vlog, so here's the intro for it. You get to see us go explore Spokane, Portland. Make sure if you guys like this content that you guys leave a like and a comment down below. Without further ado, here's the video. Take it away. Sheesh. About to go get the car now.
Hi, vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Fucking bitches.
My life been looking gorgeous. Take one day at a time, I pray I never have to force it. Got bad women for me, tell they man he need to forfeit. I'm standing with the torch gripped in my hand.
What's up? We back. We got the car. We're out here. We're in the mall right now. Just took a piss.
Took a fat piss.
Fat pisses.
What's good, guys? Fuck Dalen. I got the camera now. And we roll. This is the life of Squilly and Fancy Photo.
The pinnacle, vivid dreams of a miracle. Where I made it out of bind. Lately I'm so out of mind. It's hard to wanna go outside cause they be killing off my kind. But I gotta hold my head and keep it loyal to the players. Don't let them rob you of protection of yourself. Niggas lying for it.
And we out in the streets. You know what's funny is the pictures that we're gonna take is with the same camera, so you're not gonna see us taking pictures, but we're gonna be taking them. Just know what's happening.
Cold when he talks, but on the low, they got the stove. Somehow the baby still ain't eating, though they
That's good. Alright, we just ran into a random stranger.
Where we at, but trace the bloodline back to Eden. I'm a menace, a remnant of the pandemic. Got the mask off, I'm flat jaw. Taking no L's, I'm at the coattails to the cash car.
Alright, we're heading back to the car. It's been a long drive and vehicle purchasing and photo shoot-ish. Not really. It's more like a walk around Spokane, downtown Spokane, but it was cool.
Like a block.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, I'll walk around. I'm like, yeah, no, we walk down the street and then back down the street.
They pull up suited, but they talking about them dreads on their head. And it be their resume, they can't say their name. That shit is shame. Sis don't got it easy. Yeah, they claim she need to relax. Got a couple kids, a single mom.
Yes, sir.
See ya. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, we're out here doing some fishing. We got Kobe and Eli with us out at this disclosed location. Y'all want to see the car? Here it is.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. Got me thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinning for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. Like my life is on the line, yeah.
Just wanted to cut in right here and say, Portland is crazy. Take it away. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlogs. Today, we just stop shaking. Today, it's a little different vlogs. We're up here. We're in Portland, Beaverton right now, but we're gonna head to Portland, take some photos, have a photo shoot. You guys already know how it's gonna be. A little different of a start today. Started up mobbing the Honda right now. Comment what I should name it below. And yeah, let's get to the photo shoot because it's almost sunset.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my rain when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a one-on-one. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
What is up, guys? Welcome back. Currently, right now, the camera's dead, the GoPro's dead, so that's why I'm filming on my phone right now. We just got to, I forgot the name of this town. Just put it right here. We're in that town, and we're currently looking for a battery charger so we can charge the batteries, hopefully. But if not, we'll just cruise and I'll just catch the rest on my iPhone. So, next time I'll bring more batteries. I might have to cop one. Gray. Sold me instantly. Fly new beanie. Alright. Portable charger. This beanie's pretty freaking dope. Had to cop. I was like, damn, that's sick. But I'm not seeing any portable chargers, so this kind of sucks. I'll get back to you guys if I find one. Alright, well, they didn't have a portable charger there, so we're just gonna try and keep my phone charged and go from there. So yeah, I'll check back into you when we get closer to Mount Hood. It'll be sick. I love it there.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you there. I want you there. I want
What up, guys? Just popping in. We just got done at Mount Hood. We're currently mobbing back to Hermiston, but we're gonna take a pit stop and we're gonna take the old highway to the Dalles. Basically, I'm taking you on a trip through the old highway, and it's pretty dope. The corners are pretty gnarly, so hope you guys enjoy. And check this out.
Rebel soul child got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors, and I'm blessed, huh? They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. They pilot is right, and my trip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys. All of that talk is misguided. She like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words ways for you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside, still I'm not somebody to be played with. Keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been browsing, treading water that they drown in. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. They keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been browsing, treading water that they drown in. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. Can't stop, won't stop, till I tour the world when the glow track. Then a nigga dope at the stove top. Type of shit they hide in a tube sock. I done skipped town on a new block, but I'm still around, nigga, just not. Better hold it down when the group drop, where I kick down for the crowd, a balloon pop. Bet they come around for my moolah. Better run them out of town for they hoopla. Queen, she a hun like Mulan. Everything the hoes what they were, but they just not. They be right up in your face with the fake stop. They be thinking it's a game, but it's just not. They be thinking we the same, but they subpar. You from drug through the mud when the flood stop, pull up. Hey, I feel amazing. Pyramid scheme, how I play the angle. I send it to your girl, but I make a facelift.
This is your brain motivation.
Wait, I be hella wild, but you can't tame me. Got the keys to the cradle with no cable. Smelling like basil. Yeah, I got the flavor. I ain't got no patience. Kept it with a savor. I be on their nerve, but that shit painful. They can sour when I serve, how that shit tasted. Triple conversation. Give them waves till they make shit the flotation. It's outrageous. Righteous with the sound, but a finger razor to the whole nation. Yelling out fuck 12 till they throw me in the cell, but a nigga make bail for the young and rebellious generation. Keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels.
Hanging with the bitches, I'm addicted to the love. I've been blaming how we different on the whiskey and the drugs. Now my dreams are getting vivid, I've been thinking about you.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys stayed all the way to the end, and make sure if you did, drop a comment down below and say, yo, I made it this far in the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you see when I post. Sorry I haven't posted lately, but you guys already know from this video that we're going to be making some bangers here soon. So without further ado, I'm out.